In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken door or hatch cover for the battery SD card chamber on a Panasonic Lumix camera. If it's happened to you, this looks familiar. You've got nothing but a little flap left where your battery door was. And how do they break? Well, it's easy to forget that they're open, and if you set it down with it open, then boom, you're going to break the door right off. Now we have to remove the faceplate from the camera and the two side plates as well. And there's a single screw. None of the top has to come off. So this is actually fairly easy. Just use your mini Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the side plate. And the side plates pop off from the bottom. And we'll go ahead and get both of those off. Now we can remove the single screw for the faceplate. And now the faceplate is released, it just doesn't know it yet. So just take a mini screwdriver and gently separate it. I just used a twist, and now we can lift it off. And with the faceplate removed, now you can see the end of that hinge pin. It's free to come out, and so we can just use a screwdriver to coax it forward enough, and now we've got enough that we can grab with a pair of tweezers. But before we do that, keep your thumb on that spring. It will try to make a run for it. Now we can pull the hinge pin out while holding the spring. And we can now look at the new battery door. So this is upside down. This is as if the door were open. You can see there's a long leg on the spring there. That has to tuck in to a very small slot inside the chamber for the battery. I'll try to give you a close-up here. It's a little bit tight. But just go ahead and hold the spring so that the leg is pointed down and tuck it into that small slot. And once it's tucked in, it's pretty simple. Just hold the spring down while you put the hinge pin back in. And I'll get it started and then try to bring this close so you can see. And again, now we've got that spring leg tucked into that little slot so we can push the pin all the way in. Let's just check, make sure we got good spring action. Looks like everything's working. So we'll go ahead and lock it down and put the face of the camera back on. And we're putting screws back in. What I like to do is back the screw up first, counterclockwise till it clicks, and then tighten it down. That just prevents it from cross-threading. And tuck your side plates back in from the top. And then same thing, back the screw up a little bit first, and go ahead and tighten it down. And now that we've got both of the side plates on, we can go ahead and load the battery back into the camera. And it looks like this was a good fix. If this video helped you out, please do hit that thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to replace one of these, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.